Now, what I want to tell the presidential candidate of PDP, we mean peace. We want all of us to be together for the party to win an election. But let me say clearly, if your boys again continue to attack the G5, continue to attack the leaders of our party, we will strike back. We will strike back. If anybody again dares in the PDP presidential campaign council to insult the PDP governors of G5, insult our leaders of integrity group, we will fight back. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We want peace. All we want, equity, fairness, and what? Justice. Nobody should take us for granted. I cannot understand people who just left APC 2 days ago, 2 weeks ago, are talking about PDP, that we stayed and suffered to build the party. Even if anybody would talk about us, not these miscreants, not these miscreants. At the appropriate time, I will talk about how Dogara and Baba Chia visited me and what we agreed. You know, people, what I don't like in life, people that don't have character. I can't stand it. I can't stand it. At that appropriate time, I will challenge them for a debate. Let them come and beat me now. Let's talk. If he didn't dare, he didn't dare. Because Dogara, ask Dogara, what made you to leave PDP? Ask him. Dogara was to see me. Unknown to me, he gave me an excuse. And I was watching television. See Dogara in the villa. Being received by President Muhammadu Buhari that he has gone to APC. I was okay, no problem. No problem. The same Dogara I watched said Southern presidency. Said for there to be peace in Nigeria, that should be so. Now I'm hearing the same Dogara again. What kind of come? Now so on, they do something. Can't you say something and stand by that? Anyway, we just came here to flag off a project. Everybody, I'm your way! I'm your way! Okuma Sase! Even the one who knows, they will tell me, talk. So, at that moment time, we'll talk. I've told you those you vote for. Is it not true? I will come back, and then we'll look at ourselves, eyeball to eyeball. What is here for you? What is here for River State? No, so nobody can cheat us again. No. So all those abusing us, be careful. Be careful. We are looking for peace. We want PDP to win an election. But when you are pushing us too much, we are human beings. It's not water that's running, it's blood. When you send these small boys to insult us, we will come out on you. And we have all the facts. We have not spoken yet. The day the integrity group will meet and take a decision, you will see what will happen in this country. I thank all of you.